Hello. Hi, want to smile for the camera? There you go. Hello, yeah, there we go. The flock is afoot. Oh, here we go, yeah. Yeah. Those are cockatiels? Oh, yes. These are visitors that came in, wanted to visit their own Goffin, like I did. Is it true that's a New York pigeon? Is it true that's a New York pigeon?
Unless it flew all the way to Cascabel, I couldn't say. My dog is afraid of the quail.
It looks like the ones I feed in front of my building.
There's about 200 birds in here. Wow. For a long time, the population ranged about 100, but in 2011, we took in a large number of small birds from a couple of quartering situations.
Janet, this is the director.
Increase the population.
And Sybil, the founder.
We get along just fine. Yeah, just fine with the birds that were companion pets. And these birds are actually very easy to integrate in flocks. They're typically pretty gentle and not aggressive to each other and accepting of new birds. So it works really well when they introduce new birds.
The quail is chasing a dog. Yeah. Ricky, get a set. Oh, yes. Alfred Hitchcock, eat your heart out.
Yeah, right.